Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize WooCommerce email templates. If you're running an online store, having professional branded email templates can make a huge difference in how customers perceive your business. So let's walk through how to set this up properly. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store, as this will give you access to all the necessary tools and settings we'll need for customizing your email templates. After logging in, look over to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your WordPress site. Click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options related to plugin management from the expanded menu. Click on Add Plugin. This is where you'll be able to search for and install new functionality for your WooCommerce store. Now you'll be taken to the plugins page where you can browse through all the available plugins that can enhance your WooCommerce experience. Look for the search bar at the top of the page and type in Email Customizer. From the search results, you'll want to find Yamail WooCommerce Email Customizer. This is a powerful plugin specifically designed for customizing WooCommerce email templates without any coding knowledge. Click on More Details to see a full overview of what this plugin offers, including its features and functions. Take a moment to review this information so you understand what you're installing. Once you're ready to proceed, click Install Now. The installation process might take a few moments, so be patient while WordPress downloads and installs the plugin to your site. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a button that says Activate. Go ahead and click it to enable the plugin on your site. After clicking Activate, your page will refresh automatically. Once it does, take a look at your left navigation panel and you'll notice a new menu item has been added called WooCommerce. Click on it to open the plugin's dashboard. Here, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the email templates that WooCommerce uses for different customer interactions, including order confirmations, shipping notifications, and more. To customize any template, simply click on the one you want to edit. For this tutorial, we'll work with the new order template, which is the email that gets sent to store administrators when a customer places an order. Clicking on the template will take you to the email editor screen, which is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. On the editor screen, look for the basic section and click on it. The menu will expand to reveal all the elements you can add to your email template. These include text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, and more. The best part about this plugin is that it works on a drag and drop basis, so you don't need any coding skills whatsoever. Simply drag any element you want from the menu and drop it into your email template. You can rearrange elements, change colors, adjust fonts, and add your logo to match your brand identity. Take your time customizing the template until it looks exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the Save button located in the top right corner of your screen. This will save all your changes and apply them to your WooCommerce emails. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce email templates, giving your store a more professional and branded appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.